What's up, guys? We're back in another video, and we got a package. Oh, it is the Sword and Shield. Exactly, let me see what it was. Yeah, Sword and Shield Ultra Premium Collection. Pretty sure it's Brilliant Stars. The Ultimate Charizard. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm touching this. It's crazy. Let's take this off. Bam! Oh, that's sick. Let's turn this around. Oh, that's sick. Let's see if we can open this up. It's like oh, there. Oh, that's sick. Ooh, let's take this out. Ready? Oh, that's sick. Oh, look at that. Okay, wait, let's put it down. You guys can see this. It's Charizard. That is sick. This is gonna be our mat. We finally get a mat, so now our desk will not be so dirty. Okay, now let's look into this. Ooh. Here's the sleeves. Definitely gonna use these. Okay, alright. Okay. Open these up. These are the silver back. Here's the Charizards. Put that there. Let's open this up. Gold. These are pretty cool. That's for that box. This is packs with the Charizards. Let's see the middle first. Ooh, even more packs. And V-Star. Okay, so let's do this. Let's look at these. Charizard V. Oh my god. This is super cool. And then, it's actually a mix of different Pokemon. Let's take this out and then put it into our sleeve. Oh, I just opened it and I saw more than one card in here. Let's give you guys the code. Okay. Let's do Charizard V. Charizard V Max. This is the Charizard I've been looking for. Charizard V-Star. Bam. Charizard V-Star. Already looking good with the Charizards. These are sick. I'm going to put these in sleeves right now. Let's get out the sleeves. Let's put in sleeves. Yeah. Bam. Let's take the Charizard V, put that one in. Here's the Charizard V, and bam, Charizard V-Star. This one has lots of details to it. Let's put this in. And bam, Charizard V-Star. Bam. Let's put those three aside. Here's the code card for those, and here's our first pack. Lost Origin. Here's, oh no, I saw the code. It was white. I'm not gonna get anything here. Okay. Now, usually we would go just right in, but these are not Scarlet and Violet. Okay. Leaf. Dorton. Seadra. Ooh, that looks cool. Doppler. Litleo. Tynamo. Slugma. Seedot. Growlithe. Ooh, Spiritomb on our first pack. Let's look at this. Wow. It's a sick card. Okay. Let's put this in our sleeve and Ariados. First pack right here, we have Spiritomb. Let's put this in our thing. Put it on the mat. All the other good hits, and bam. Let's put that on the mat. We'll put the other Charizards over here, and that was our first pack. Here's our second. Lost Origin. These are super hard to open. Okay. I keep showing you guys what the white, but it's okay. Ghastly, Litleo, Myinfo, Shellos, is Metatype, Spinark, Parasect. Oh, I forgot to do the card trick. Fire Energy, Lake Ekuti, Porygon 2, and Misfortune Sisters. Astral Radiance is our next one. Let's put this one. This time, we'll give you the code card and not forget it. Okay. Heracross, Eevee, Scyther, Barboach, Misdreavus. Ooh, a Bronzong. Oh my, we're getting crazy hits from these. Bronzong, that's going there. Magnezone, Energy, Cranidos, Electrode, and Spicy Season Curd. Let's look at this. We'll add another sleeve to our collection. Let's put that there. And I'm gonna grab our next pack, Astral Radiance. Let's give you guys code card. Basically every second pack we're gonna get something. Petilil, Quillfish, Swinoob, Poochyena, Glameow, Dewalt, Rapidash. I forgot to do the card trick. Azelf, Perugly, and Selen. Next, Astral Radiance. And we're gonna open this one up. It's a little hard to open. Okay, code card. 4. Okay.
Overquill. Energy Lodo.
Energy Lodo.
Basculin.
Voltorb. Glameow. Swinoob. Chatot. Bronzong. Dewalt. Yanmega. Energy. Next, it is Brilliant Stars. Let's do this. There. Code card. It is Corphish, Golett, Chimeko, Chimchar, Minchio, Kindler, Moltres with the Hollow, Energy, and Sinchikiko, Cleansing Gloves, and Floatzel. Next one, Brilliant Stars. I'm gonna open this one. White code card. It's okay. You can still get stuff. It is a... You've got to do the card trick. Magmortar. Energy. Kindler. Calfmaster. Gabite. Nosepass. Snorunt. Clink. Dedenne. Cubo. Starveia. We showed you the one before. Here is Brilliant Stars. And then... I'm gonna go into the middle. Kid card. That is Staryu, Carablast, Clefairy, Chirapy, Sock, Executor, Lipod, Energy, Probopass, Frenzingala, Team Yell's Chia. Now, we go to the middle one, where there's even more packs. And, didn't make the noise. Oh, fell out. Okay, here's the heads and tails. And on the back or front is Charizard. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's go into Fusion Strike. Oh, these cool cards. Cool packs. Code card. Energy. Spongy Gloves. Clawitzer. Sliggoo. Sandygast. Stuffle. Sizzlipede. Darumaka. Fukidi. Blissey. Grimmsnarl. And another Fusion Strike. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Payukumuku. Turtonator. Fusion Strike Energy. Gossifleur. Meowth. Dynamo. Quillfish. Phalanx. Centiskorch. And Absol. Boondeparty. Fusion Strike again, and then we'll have some Evolving Skies. Will we get the Moonbyon or will we not? We'll see. We've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. Code card. Water. Loop Bunny. Farewell Bell. Ninetales. And that is Shelter. Eevee, Morpeko, Caterpie, Phantomp, Goodra. Oh, Goodra was the last one. Okay. Now, let's try my luck in Evolving Skies, shall we? Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Stormy Mountain. Shelgon. Ice Cube. Sidot. Woobat. Eevee. Timepole. Cutiefly. Gordy. I feel something. Trevenant VMAX. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna get the sleeve. Oh my god. There's a big mess on the table. Okay. Let's put in the sleeve. Gonna go in the mouth, all the other cool cards. Okay. That is a white code card. And that's the code card. Okay. Metal. Spirit Mask. Full face card. Rescue Carrier. Dino. Pumpakaboo. Carvanha. Gossifleur. Fletchling, Talonflame, Gigalith. Okay, let's see my luck in Evolving Skies yet again. Moonbyon, Moonbyon, Moonbyon. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Ursaring. Subat. Digging Gloves. Drowsy, Flabebe, Rock'n'Rolla, Psyduck, Swablu, Sharpedo, Galarian Zapdos. And our next pack is Fusion Strike, and then Last pack here. Fusion Strike. Let's see what we get. Code card. 4 cards. And turnaround. Energy for lightning. Frostmoth. Spongy gloves. Double. Smeargle. Rotom. That is a Durant. Jigglypuff. Onyx. Double. Another one. And Deoxys. That was our next. Now, our final pack is gonna be Fusion Strike. We'll see what we get in this one. Code card. And 1, 2, wait, actually, let me go from this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Energy. Garbodor. Switch. Balloon. Gubbin. Mantine. Jinx. Skarmory. Suwaddle. Simipour. And for the final one, Claydol. Aw. Okay. That was our final box. You can see there's nothing in here. Empty. Here is our mat. Here are all the good cards. Charizard VMAX, that is our bronze one, and that is our Charizard V, that's our Charizard V-Star, and that is our Trevenant VMAX. And this is my desk. Full of stuff, wait. No, never mind, it's empty. Make sure to like and subscribe, because Charizard told you to. See you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Bye.